All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So concerning, concerning, concerning. So on the subject of something, to talk about something, to talk about something. Yeah, we wrote a book concerning health. So the book was talking about health. Yeah. There was a video concerning travel. So travel, and this video was about travel. Yeah. This lesson is concerning English words and how to use them. And how to use them, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So the meeting is concerning the forest. Those meetings were concerning the changes. Yeah. Yeah. They were planning to do something concerning the road. Concerning the road, yeah. It was a report concerning the trees, the forest, the traffic. Yeah. He wrote a document concerning the weather. She read a file concerning the market. I recorded a video concerning prepositions. It was a playlist concerning different words and topics. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? I went with them concerning the noise. Yeah. We were planning to do something concerning the noise. We wanted to do something about the noise. Very annoying. She's traveling her concerning development. She's talking about she's traveling her concerning the developments. She's writing concerning the developments. She's writing concerning the developments. Yeah, she's doing something about the developments. These changes, the property, the construction. Yeah. Their travel will be concerning the weather. So their travel will depend on the weather. So their actions, the weather. So they are concerned about the weather and what happens, what changes there are. Concerned, yeah. They are concerning the weather. They're considering the weather. If this happens and that happens and this, yeah. We have different concerns about the weather. So we read a report concerning the weather. So we were worried about the weather, so we read something talking about the weather. This report is concerning the weather, what it's all about. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, concerning, to talk about something, the subject of something. Yeah. Now, can you use concerning in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.